Hey guys, welcome back with me again and this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find hidden emails on Gmail. So if you're waiting for an email but the email won't receive or is not showing on your Gmail, this is how you are going to find it. First, let's open the Gmail apps. Okay, so if you are waiting for the inbox but you cannot find the email, first you can just click on the three lines icon at the top and tap on the all inboxes to see if the email is received in here. But if you cannot find it still, you can click on the three lines icon again at the top. Then here you can go to the primary options and see if it's there. But if you still cannot find it, you can just go to the spam, because usually when an email is not received on your inbox, it might come into the spam. But yes, you guys can see here there's nothing on my spam folder. So maybe you can try to ask the sender to send the email again, or you can try to uh, reset or just long press on the app, go to the app info in here, and then you can try to clear the cache and also clear the data of your Gmail. But of course, after you do that, after you clear storage or data, you need to re-log in into Gmail. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.